What is up, guys? Welcome to another edition of the Market Marauder Show. Being the market, one trade at a time. For you, the Market Marauder Show, the investment channel helps you to find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure that thumbs up. Definitely helps the YouTube algorithm promote the videos. Alright, so we'll be talking about top penny stocks under $1. So let's jump into it. First on here, we have ticker sign AUMN. So looking at the chart, we can see that they are bullish. The moving average 10 line is above the moving average 50 and 100, which are represented by this yellow and purple line. So yellow line moving average 50, purple line being the moving average 100, and the red line being moving average 10. VWAP is below the moving average 10, so bearish on that metric. But overall, looking at the stock, I'm going to say that they are bullish. Moving average 10 definitely looking very healthy, and VWAP looking very healthy as well. They ended the week at 71 cents, had a week high of 73 cents. So next week, going to be looking to see if they can break through that 73 cent week high to start a new week high for next week, and then potentially continue to go up from there. And that's ticker sign AUMN. Next, we have ticker sign CFMS. So CFMS ended the week at 84 cents and then went down 2 cents in at 82 cents for the week. Overall, moving average 10 is above 50, but it is below the moving average 100, so they are still bearish based on that indicator. One thing I like to see for ticker sign CFMS is the moving average, the VWAP, to shoot back above the moving average 10 for a confirmation of a bullish upward trend. But you know, they seem to have a resistance around this 85 cent level that they need to test. So if you look right here, they kind of had a peak right here of this 85 cent level. They had another peak right here, then another peak right here. So between this 85 and 86 cent level seems to be a resistance for them. So next week, going to be seeing if they can break through that 84, 85 cent resistance level to become bullish overall. Next stock on here, we have ticker sign DFFN, which ended the week at 70 cents. They are bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. Going to be looking to see if that VWAP can shoot back up and if they can test this 73 cent level and then retest this 79 cent level, being the moving average 50 and 100 for next week. So if they can go and test both of those metrics, going to see if they can start a bullish upward trend from there. But going to keep a close eye on ticker sign DFFN for next week. Now, this is from the perspective of Webull. If you'd like to sign up for Webull and get 2 free stocks when you deposit $100 or more, I have a link down below in the description where you can do so. Next, we have ticker sign INUV, which ended the week at 73 cents. Had a 2-cent rally after hours to end at 75 cents, so nice little 3.14% increase after hours. Looking at them though, it seems to be a lot of oscillation going on between the 62 cent level to this 77 cent level. So next week going to be seeing if they can break through that 77 cent resistance, then if they can break through 80 cent and 88 cent being the moving average 50 and 100. But overall, still bearish on the name. Going to be looking to see if that VWAP can shoot back up there, and then looking at that 77 cent resistance level for next week. Next, we have ticker sign MTNB, which ended the week at 90 cents, then went down to 89 cents to end the week overall. They are bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10 as well. Seems to be some oscillation from this one between the 92 cent level to the 85 cent level. So hopefully they can break out of this little oscillatory range that they're in and jump back and retest this 93 cent level. So going to be looking to see if they can retest 93 cents for next week, and that's going to be my target price on them. Next up, we have ticker sign MYSZ, which is bearish. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. But going to be looking to see if they can go back and test this $1.01 level, then this $1.04 level for next week. Hopefully they can, but overall bearish on the name. Next up, we have ticker sign OGEN, and they ended the week at 71 cents, then went down to 69 cents to end the week overall. Going to be seeing if they can retest this 73 cent moving average 50 and then retest this 79 cent moving average 100 for a confirmation of a bullish upward trend. If not, then maybe some oscillation between the 63 cent level and the 73 cent level. So 10 cent plus or minus gap on that. Overall, going to be looking to see if VWAP can shoot back above moving average 10. If so, there's going to be a confirmation of a bullish upward trend on them. Next up, we have ticker sign PULM, which ended the week at 96 cents. Went up some more, so 3 cents to end, or a little over 3 cents to end at $1 even. So next target price that I'll be looking at for them overall is going to be testing this $1.11 metric. So they ended at this $1 even level, which is above the moving average 50, which seems to be at this 96-cent level. So going to be looking to see if VWAP can shoot back above, and if they can retest this $1.11 level for next week. Overall, a lot of good momentum coming out of the PULM stock. Next up, we have ticker sign PXS. They are bearish as well. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. We can see VWAP is below moving average 10, but overall, nice little pattern, chart pattern setting up for them. They had a low of 78 cents overall, and VWAP is below moving average 10, and moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. So going to be looking to see if VWAP can shoot back up, and to see if they can retest this 86-cent level. They went to 85 where they closed, but seems to be a resistance from them between this 85 and 86-cent level. If they break through that for next week, they're going to be looking to see if they could test this 93-cent level of the moving average 100. Next up, we have ticker sign RIBT. Which is almost bullish. So the moving average 10 is basically at moving average 100. So basically have a confirmation of a bullish upward trend if we're going based off this 95-cent level where they ended the week at. So they had a week high of 93 cents and starting off the week at 95 cents. So they're going to be starting off at a new weekly high. Going to be looking to see if that VWAP can shoot back up above moving average 10 for a confirmation of a bullish upward trend on this one. But overall, ticker sign RIBT, I think, has a pretty good trajectory to continue to go up from their current 95-cent level, since it is above the week high of 93 cents. That is ticker sign RIBT. Next up, we have ticker sign RMTI, which is bearish, moving average 10 below 50-100. VWAP is right at moving average 10, so they're kind of converging around this 93-cent level. Next, I'm going to see if they can test this 96-cent level and the 99-cent level overall, and then have a confirmation of a bullish upward trend. So going to be looking to see for next week if they can break through 96 cents and then break through 99 cents. Next, we have ticker sign SYN, and they are bearish as well. Moving average 10 below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10, and we're going to be looking to see if they can test this 57 and 60 cent level for next week. Now, they did have a low this week of $4.75, but they since bounced up from there, ending the week at 53 cents. So not too bad of a movement. But overall, going to be looking to see if the volume can increase on this one, and if they can retest this 57 and 60 cent level. And lastly on here, we ticker sign UAMY, which ended the week at 95 cents. Moving average 10 is below 50 and 100. VWAP is below moving average 10. So bearish overall for the stock. Then we're going to be looking to see if they can retest this $1 and $1.09 level. So just bear in mind, this is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. So just bear that in mind. This is all speculative and just for educational purposes. So this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you what stock to buy or not to buy. Just telling you what is out there in the market if you were to invest. So overall, looking at this one, ticker sign UAMY, going to be looking for them to retest this $1 level for next week. But overall bearish on the name in general. Make sure you drop a comment down below to what stocks you guys are looking at for this week as far as penny stocks under $1. I know there could be some huge moves being made. You could definitely quadruple your money when getting into penny stocks under $1. A great way to grow your account. So drop a comment down below. Tell me what stocks you guys are looking at. I'll definitely help everybody else in the chat. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.